Welcome to Eagle Education. This is Sekhar Metla, software trainer. Today's topic, Python-CE Community Center IDE installation in your local system. To install this IDE to develop Python-based language applications, it may be Windows application or web application using all the technologies with you available. The Pycharm IDE CE, why I am forcing here, it's a community center edition where you can have a freely install, download it from the site and install it, use it in yourself. For more details, you will see in this video session. Watch it. In this session, we will see how to install a Pycharm IDE for editor software for our development of Python programs. The Pycharm IDE makes it possible to use a virtual environment tool to create a project, a specific isolation virtual environment. The main purpose of virtual environment is to manage settings and dependencies which are requirement for our project, dependencies of a particular project, regardless of other projects. There is we can simply call it as we have 2 or 3 projects we are creating in using Python language. There is a virtual environments. We will make it as independently for each project, and some project may have like a e-commerce project which is having payment gateway module and SMS gateway and email and all the things. Some module may have an architectural module. It may have to require to draw a triangle, a circle. These are the type of modules, and some of the module may require max operations. And independently, based on the application, independently we require to collect our dependencies like libraries. For the purpose, the Pycharm will give you a complete environment to make it as every independent virtual environment where you can easily customize your applications without disturbing of other projects and all. That the environment the Pycharm will ready-madely will provide you. And we will see now here the Pycharm is a ready-madely bundle which is available in our website. We will see now there is a Pycharm versions of commercial as well as freeware is also available. You choose appropriately. Just a second. Yeah, it's a Pycharm. Hit the Pycharm and hit enter. Now see there is a professional version as well as community center edition. The professional version you may have to buy the license for terms of internals. You will find out what are the charges and all. Whereas if you want to download the CE community center edition, it's absolutely free. See now, free plugged professional or free community. You can go with the download, and there is an options it will show you like professional and community. And once you have chosen like a professional, it will be free trial only, it's available. Whereas a community is a pure Python development purpose. You can use to download and practice the code as in our professional way to use our Pycharm in our local desktop or your local computer system environment. And choose the based on the version of your OS level, like Mac OS, CentOS, or Linux, or Windows. Based on the platform, you have to choose your version here and download the appropriate version. Have you observed here that Windows is here, Mac and Linux? I'm going to installing Windows version. Now hit the community version download. See, the message is here for thank you for downloading Pycharm. If it is if any circumstances, if any download is not started, you click here the direct link to download the Pycharm installation of your local system. And now once the Pycharm is downloaded successfully in your system, you have to initiate the Pycharm setup and run the Pycharm software. And it will ask you the steps of click next. Once the setup is initiated to start the Pycharm installation, it will ask you to the procedure what to do in the next. It will ask you need not to do anything
while the installation of Pycharm IDE, simply you follow the instructions, what the options are available. Click next, 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 and finish the Pycharm installation in your computer system. That's it. That is a very simple task. You will easily follow the installation guidelines of the Pycharm IDE. This is the Pycharm IDE for editing and writing coding of using Python language, as well as creating the projects, apps with the terminal window, all the facilities, the bundle which is already built in with the Pycharm IDE, which is having. We will see for our further sessions how to integrate and how to move further and using and terminal commands and all with this IDE. We'll have sessions of one by one to how to use this Pycharm IDE in our project development.
Thanks for watching this session. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment. For more information regarding these sessions, see the description below of my contact details are there. Thank you.